Hi guys, so I have another little quick tip for you all. So I have two coffee Dyson papers and I am liking the effect of coffee dye paper with just a very light hint of shimmer on it. So the way I get that effect, and I'm going to show you because I had a question on how I get that effect. So it's very simple. I have a little bottle here and it has water. And you can use either gold or silver, which is what I love to use. And I've been using the silver for a little bit, but now I want to switch it out to gold. So let me get this open. Oh my gosh, I should have gotten this open. I'm going to use the silver, and what I use is the Deco Art Dazzling Metallics, and I get this at Michael's, but I'm sure Walmart probably has it, and it's the acrylic paint. So what I do is I just add a little bit of it to my water, right? So I'm just going to add some. I got to shake it better. Hold on. And this just adds a really nice shimmer to your paper. So you want to add, I don't know, a hefty squeeze, something like that. So you have this much water and then this much paint, okay? So that's all I want. And this is going to give, and what I want to do, I'm just going to cover it, because if you put this in there, it'll clog up your your spray bottle. And this I have for when I want a really nice hefty shimmer. And a lot of people say, how do I get that shimmer onto my tracing paper? Well, this is how. I spray this directly onto the tracing paper, and this is how I get that shimmer. And it's really nice, and it doesn't clog up your your sprayer, as if you're using like powders and stuff. And this is how you get that nice shimmer. But I want to use this to give my coffee dyed paper a little bit of shimmer. So what I do is I have my coffee sprayer here, and let me add some coffee into it. I just brewed some coffee. Let me just add it. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this into my coffee. Not much, probably, I don't know, maybe a spoonful. And that's just going to add a nice hint of shimmer onto my coffee dyed papers. And you shake it really good. And it's getting onto my paper, which is fine because we're gonna dye it. Shake it real good. And this is how I dye my papers. I don't dip it all the way. I just spray it. Okay, and I use let me tell you the weight of my paper. I use 24-pound paper, and I find that I love that weight. So what I do is I just turn it, spray it, spray this one, add my doily, spray that, turn it, spray that. I'll add a doily here, spray that. Turn it. And this is how I do it, you know? A lot of people do it differently, but this is how I like to do it. I have to make more of those garden journals because those sold out so fast. And I know it's gardening season is coming up soon, so I have to make one for myself. I love my garden. I have an herb garden, I have a vegetable garden, and a flower garden. So I need one for me. So I'm gonna make more for the shop, and I also have to make one signature journals that are not garden related because I have some requests on that. So I gotta work on that. And I also want to make some mini journals, but like 3 signature mini journals. I think those are gonna be cute. I want to give those a shot. So I'm gonna make some of those. I want to make some of those just to give me a break of the really big journals. And see. So this is how I do it, and then I'll put these in the oven at 350. But I'm not gonna put them all like all this stack. I'll just like divide it like maybe 10 sheets at a time and put them in the oven, because that way they dry faster. And that's how I do it. So I hope that helps. Ooh, my oven is ready. And already I can see this, like the gold shimmer. And I love this. You should try it. It just gives it a really nice shimmer. And if you want to glimmer mist your paper, like really nice shimmer, try this. And let me know what you think. I think you'll like it. And you could do it with the silver too. So anyway, let me get these in the oven. I just thought I'd come on and show you how I do it. And I hope that helps. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.